Hey guys, this is a Monte Carlo simulation I made, and I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how this worked and what I'm fixing on right now. And no, I'm not trying to sell you anything, and I definitely do not care at all selling or making money on any of my videos. So I do need to fix the average RR. It isn't fixed yet, so I will do a simple mathematical equation to simplify this into an average RR, but I just wanted to show a quick demonstration that this is our profit factor, and the equation is right below to show how. It shows the total median. This is my strategy that I use on my TradeOvate account and my free time, which is at 46% win rate. I on average risk 30 to 100 ticks, which is basically 100 to 200, and I usually aim at least a 1 and 2 RRs, so it basically doubles my stop loss initially on average. So let's say 200. Since let's just say my stop loss is 100, then it's just double that 200. Let's use a starting capital of 50k because that's just a regular funded account. So I'm just gonna set it to 50k by default, and yes, this is basically my strategy, and this is basically it. That's my strategy. And before you ask, yes, it's already set my default for my strategy, back tested by simulation. So that's how I got that information from a CSV file that I back tested on, again, my TradeOvate account in my spare time by myself. But here's each possibility for each of these lines: the return distribution, and then the log of the simulation, and other stuff you don't really need to know other than the max drawdown. And yeah, well, you do need to know the Sharpe ratio and stuff, but you can just learn that later, honestly. Don't worry about it. If you enjoyed watching my simulation, then go ahead and drop a like and follow my account by subscribing or following. But if anyone has recommendations on how I can improve this or what I should add towards my simulation, then please feel free to drop a suggestion and I'll definitely read it for sure. Thanks, bye.